Did you know, Ate Rose, that the pigs are very intelligent, Mama?
Oh, really?
And the pigs can find any across the country except Antarctica.
Oh, what else?
And this is gonna be topic for today.
For today!
Hi, this is the learning objectives. At the end of this presentation, learners will be able to: Number 1, identify the different parts of pork. Number 2, recognize market forms of pork. 3, classify the basic cuts of pork. Number 4, prepare common pork dishes.
Hi. Have you ever wondered what's the major part of the pork? Well, my friend Maria here is gonna explain what's the major parts of the pork. Gonna go.
So, here's the different major part of the pork. We have head, shoulder, loin, belly, leg or ham, side, pit, or trotters. I will explain it one by one. Number 1, head. Used for soups, jolls, and specialty dishes.
Did you know? Pork jowl is perfect for making soup, but it also can be used for making taco street food, roasted or braised, and perfect for stew.
Number 2, shoulder. Also called pork butt or Boston butt.
The Boston butt or pork butt is a flavorful moderate dough cut taken from the upper part of the pork shoulder, especially the neck end. Despite its name, it does not come from the near butt, but historical butchers in New England packed this cut into a barrel called butt for shipping. That's why they call it the butt pork. Pork butt used for boiled pork, pork chop, roasting, stewing, and ground pork sausage.
Number 3, loin. Lean and tender part along the back.
Pork loin is a large, lean, and tender oblong shape meat cut from the back of the pig, running between the shoulder and the leg.
Number 4, belly.
Pork belly, commonly used on pancetta and bacon.
Number 5, leg or ham. Rare leg portion. Number 6, side. Includes ribs and belly section. Number 7, pit or trotters. Used for stew and gelatin-rich dishes.
We already know what the major part is. But did you know there's a market form? What is market form? Market form is a meat that sells pork. Market form of porks, we have cured pork, smoked pork, frozen pork, and fresh pork. Fresh pork. Fresh pork is uncured and uncooked pork sold in various primal and retail cuts. Example: pork chop, pork belly, pork ribs, pork shoulder, pork tenderloin, ground pork. Second, carved pork. Pork preserved using salt, narrates, sugar, or smoking. Example: ham, bacon, salt pork, corn pork. Third, smoked pork. Smoked pork is pork carved and are flavored by smoking. Example: smoked ham, smoked bacon, smoked pork chops, smoked sausage. Processed pork. Processed pork is the pork that has been ground, seasoned, and turned into the product. Example: sausage, hot dog, Lachian meat, and pork patties. And the last one, the frozen pork. Frozen pork cuts preserved by freezing for longer storage. Example, frozen ribs, frozen pork chop, frozen ground pork. Finally, we're done to a market farm. Now, let's move on to the basic cut. First, the basic part of the pig head. Here, the cut of the head of the pig. First, pochetta di testa. Second one is ears. And the third one is skull. Now, let's move on to the leon part. In the leon part, we have back fat, tender leon, bone-in pork chops with chin, boneless pork leon roast, skin and fat, bone-in pork chop, French pork leon roast and fat. Now let's move on to the ham section. Basic cut of the ham is contain sirloin, ham, hock, arch bone, tail bow, trotter, and trim. Now let's move on to the belly section. Belly section contain only have secreto, spare ribs, pork belly, and trim. In the Boston pork, we have spare ribs, pork brisket, pork Denver or presa, copa, butt, hock, and trotter, and skin and fat and picnic. So why do we need a proper cutting to a pork? To make the large carcass manageable for processing, the storage, and cooking.
This is the different dishes of pork. We're gonna start with the Filipino popular pork dishes. Lechon or whole roasted pig. Filipino cook lechon if there are special events like wedding, birthday, and fiesta. Pork adobo is the mix of saucy and garlic. Pork adobo is popular for easy to cook and for everyday dishes. Sinigang na baboy is very known for sour soup and very chewy pork texture. And the last one is crispy pata. Is so known for its name for being crispy and crunchy pork pata. Perfect pair for drinking alcohol, according to many Filipinos. We're going to international dishes. Pulled pork, tender shredded pork in barbecue sauce, an American classic. Barbecue ribs, full of the bone pork ribs with sweet and tangy barbecue flavors. Sweet and sour pork. Crispy pork in a sweet and sour sauce with bell peppers and pineapple. Sweet and sour pork is a Chinese dish. Pork schnitzel. Breaded and fried pork cutlet with a crispy exterior. Pork schnitzel is a German dish.
Pork is a versatile meat obtained from the domestic pig. It is divided into various parts, sold in different market forms, and used in many dishes worldwide.